This is Examples in Music for Module 31. 31.1 says define the term pivot chord and pivot chord modulation and identify the possible pivot chords between two given keys, including the minor dominant. This example starts in the key of G major, then modulates in the middle, cadencing in the key of D major. We see the C sharp of D major introduced in these measures down here, but listening to this example, it's a very smooth transition from one key to the other. If we look to the measure prior to the introduction of the C sharp, we can analyze the chords in that measure. The final chord of that measure is a G, B, D chord. The G major triad is found both in the keys of G major and the key of D major. Therefore, it could be labeled as a pivot chord modulation. In the key of G major, this chord is a 1 chord, so we would mark a 1 Roman numeral right here. We'd label the second key down here as D major going on, and whereas that is a Roman numeral 1 in the key of G major, it's a Roman numeral 4 in the key of D major.
Vergesse.
31.2 says identify all closely related keys of a given key. The learning resources tell you that every major or minor key has 5 closely related keys. They are the keys that contain one accidental difference from the original key. One of the easiest ways to locate these is looking at a circle of fifths. For example, if you have the key of B flat major and you're trying to find the closely related keys, B flat major has 2 flats in the key signature. So you're looking for the keys that also have 2 flats in the key signature, as well as the keys that have 1 fewer flats, so 1 flat, or 1 more flats, or 3 flats. Therefore, the closely related keys of B flat major are G minor, F major, D minor, E flat major, and C minor. If we look over at C sharp minor, which has 4 sharps, its closely related keys are E major, F sharp minor, A major, G sharp minor, and B major.